In this video, we embark on a relaxing self-driving adventure from Hakata City in Fukuoka to Kurume, Fukuoka's heartland of rich agricultural traditions. We are heading to Migita Farm, renowned for its seasonal persimmon picking experience. The total distance is approximately 40 to 45 kilometers and expected to take around 50 minutes drive. The drive offers picturesque views of the Japanese countryside, especially during autumn when the foliage is in full color. Once you approach Kurume, Migita Farm will be well signposted. The farm is nestled in a beautiful rural setting, surrounded by orchards, mountains, and fields. The fresh air and peaceful atmosphere of the farm will immediately immerse you in the rural charm of Fukuoka. The farm provides all the equipment visitors need, including baskets for collecting fruit and guidance on how to pick them. We are walking through rows of trees heavy with Fuyu, the most popular variety of persimmon, and Danja persimmons, which are perfect for fresh eating or making delicious dishes. Late autumn, when the persimmons are at their peak ripeness, is the perfect time to visit. We are expected to harvest fresh, sun-ripened persimmons straight from the trees, all while enjoying the vibrant colors of the season. Migita Farm is a family-friendly, interactive farm where visitors can pick a variety of seasonal fruits, with persimmons being the star attraction during late autumn. The farm offers a delightful hands-on experience, and visitors can wander freely like what we did among rows of persimmon trees, selecting the ripest fruit to take home. The smell of ripe fruit in the air, the sight of bright orange persimmons against a backdrop of golden autumn leaves, and the sound of nature make this a truly immersive experience. The farm is a great spot for a relaxed day out with family or friends. Ripe persimmons are a bright, deep orange color. They should have a rich, even hue with no green spots, indicating they're at their peak ripeness. Avoid persimmons that are still green or yellowish, they haven't fully matured and may be astringent. Persimmons are typically ready to pick when they are firm yet slightly soft to the touch. A ripe persimmon will give a little when pressed gently, without being mushy. However, some varieties like Fuyu persimmons are meant to be eaten while they are still firm, unlike others that are best enjoyed when fully soft. The farm has uneven terrain, so comfortable shoes are a must during your visit. You may also want to bring a light jacket or sweater as it can get cooler in the late autumn. A good ripe persimmon will have a rounded, plump shape. The fruit should appear full and heavy, indicating juiciness and sweetness inside. Be mindful of fruit with sunburn or bruises, as these may not taste as good. If you're picking varieties that ripen to a soft texture, like Danja persimmons, look for fruit that is slightly wrinkled, with a translucent skin that hints at its sweet, jelly-like flesh inside. Gently tug on the fruit to see if it separates easily from the branch. Fully ripened Danja persimmons should come off the tree with minimal effort. Respect the farm rules and ensure to follow all farm guidelines, such as picking only ripe fruit and not damaging the trees. The autumn foliage and vibrant persimmon trees offer fantastic photo opportunities. Don't forget to capture the moments during your visits. After a satisfying picking session, we brought home the freshly harvested persimmons to enjoy. Here are a few ways to savor the fruits of our labor. Slice the persimmons and enjoy them as a healthy snack. Fuyu persimmons are sweet and non-astringent, making them perfect for fresh consumption. Blend the ripe fruit with some yogurt, ice, or other seasonal fruits to create a refreshing smoothie. Use your persimmons to make persimmon bread, cakes, or even a simple persimmon pie to share with family and friends. If you want to make your harvest last, consider turning some of your persimmons into homemade jam or preserves. This self-driving excursion from Hakata City to Migita Farm offers a perfect mix of adventure, nature, and the joy of harvesting fresh persimmons. Late autumn is the ideal time for persimmon picking, as the fruits are ripe and ready for tasting. With these tips, we wish you a fruitful day of picking, learning about the farm's practices, and enjoying the beauty of rural Fukuoka in Kyushu, Japan. Bring cash during your visitation, as the farm does not accept card payment, as rural farms usually prefer the traditional payment methods.